Welcome back to our series on video editing for social media with Canva. Want to add background music, narration, or sound effects to your video project? You can with Canva. Join me to find out how. We've covered video content basics, branding considerations, creating with Canva, and removing the background of your video. Now we're on to adding audio. Adding music is a great way to engage with your audience through sound. Let's take a quick look at what you can do in this short video. Understanding audio online is so important. Did you know that 85% of videos watched on Facebook are with the sound off? Meanwhile, over on TikTok, 88% of content is watched with sound on. Instagram and TikTok are increasingly focusing on trending audio, and YouTube viewers expect a high level of polish and professionalism in the way dialogue is recorded. So my tip here is to really understand the platforms you're creating for and optimize your audio for those platforms. This could mean investing in a podcasting mic or making sure your video is accompanied by captions to make it easily accessible to everyone. Wherever your content is going, just make sure you're being mindful of the way viewers are going to consume it. So, firstly, know your audience. A video for an older audience or a childcare business would probably steer clear from using heavy metal music, for example. Think about rhythm and tone. Is the music meant to be fast or slow? Faster music will make audiences feel more upbeat and energetic, while slower music is more relaxing and calming. And lastly, should you choose a music track with lyrics or instrumental only? Will lyrics make it hard to hear a voiceover or read content in the video? If so, instrumental might be a better option here. Let's pop back over to Jess for some more tips on editing videos and adding audio. She'll take you through how to make more precise edits to your video clips and how to add and edit audio tracks. Back to you, Jess.
Clementine is a fun brand for people on the go, so I want upbeat music that reflects my audience. I want to replace the audio of the template and find an audio track that reflects my brand. Tap on the audio track and select Replace in the bottom toolbar. Navigating to the Audio tab, I'm going to search for Fun. I'm looking for an audio track, so I'll go to the Audio tab. You can preview music by pressing play on the cover artwork. If you like what you hear, click on the track and it'll replace your track. Another cool thing you can do is add multiple audio clips. You can have clips playing simultaneously or one after another. We have a whole new library of sound effects, so you can add these to your video. I'm going to add a sound effect of juice pouring to the second scene. This really brings your design to life. I'm going to position my design where I want the sound to start, and then tapping on the plus button and navigating to the Elements tab again. I'm going to search for drink pouring, listen to it, and then add it. Lastly, I'm going to add one more audio clip that I've actually added to Canva. Tapping on the plus button one more time, I'm going to go into my uploads. This has all my content that I've added into Canva. Going into the Audio tab, I can see I've uploaded an audio file. And I'm going to add this to my design. One thing to note is the audio track trims at the ends of the design, so you might need to extend the ends of your design to be longer if you have a bit of audio cut off. There are 3 things that you can adjust on your audio clip. The first thing is duration. You can change this by selecting the clip and holding and dragging the right-hand edge of the clip. I'm actually going to trim my drink pouring sound effect to only be in the second scene. The second thing you can adjust is the volume. Again, select the audio clip you want to adjust the volume of. In this case, I don't want the music to be too loud. Scroll and tap on the speaker icon in the toolbar and you'll see the volume listed. Use the slider to adjust the volume to a level you're happy with. The final thing you can change is which section of the audio clip you want to use. Tap Adjust in the toolbar and hold and drag and find a section of the song you're happy with. Tap anywhere on the background to set it.
Lemon Tiny is 100% juice and 0% anything else.
So, let's do a quick review. We've chosen a template, learnt about your tabs, covered the timeline, added and edited some video clips, removed the background of your video, and added and edited audio. That's the basics wrapped up. You're well on your way to creating your first social video in Canva. Now you have your basic design, it's time to level it up and make it look really good. There's plenty more video inspiration on the way. If you'd like to keep working on perfecting your Canva skills, scan this QR code or click the link below to access a workbook of guided Canva activities. That wraps up our segment on adding audio. You're well on your way to making engaging social videos in Canva. Next episode, we're going to teach you how to take your videos to the next level by adding animations and transitions. Don't forget to subscribe below so you're notified when it goes live. See you next time.